I'm here today to give you a daily update on AVAX. As you can see here, we're going to be starting off on the daily because pretty much in crypto land at the moment, all charts look the same. Not gonna keep you guys for too long. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, RSI heading down quite strongly in this downtrend coming through there. I don't know what that is doing. Heading down quite strongly in this downtrend, coming down to the oversold point. Still quite a hell of a long way to get there in terms of the daily RSI. But what does that tell us? It tells us this short position that we are potentially looking for here for AVAX is going to be pretty nice because we've got quite a lot of breathing room before we see a sort of bounce, right? So yeah, let's do some price predictions for that. In terms of the chart pattern that we do have here, you can see this upward sloping support line that we do have coming through. Really quite nice. Unfortunately, yes, we have lost this zone. What does that tell us? It tells us there is a potential breakdown scenario, right? The breakdown scenario is going to be this measure move coming through here. As you can see there, going on the most recent downtrend. This is what we're going to be looking for the breakdown. In terms of take profits, guys, we're going to be staggering them all the way down here. And obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. Please go do your own research before entering any sort of position I do say on this channel. Now, 28% is on the cards for AVAX for a big, strong downtrend. The reason why we do a strong short position, sorry, the reason why we do these multiple take profits is because we actually want to be banking profit the whole way down rather than getting reversed on. So, for example, if we actually short this zone on this daily candle close here, and we come down and we're aiming for this 28%, but we get a massive reversal coming through at this previous higher low there, then obviously we're going to be giving back all this profit. We're not about that. We're here to make money, so we're going to be staggering take profits all the way down and banking it as we go, right? Yes, it doesn't look as good on your exchange when you've got a massive 15 grand figure when you've made a huge percentage, right? But one, it kills the dopamine hit, which is obviously a very good thing for emotional trading, right? Helps with the emotions and not being so attached with it, and also it's just 10 times more safer, right? You eliminate those losses, and I've made 10 times more money doing it like this than doing it the other way, right? So yeah, that's what I would be looking at for AVAX here on the daily candle close there. In terms of an entry, what I would be looking for here, you can see we're just about to come up and tap this area again in terms of that resistance point. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to see whether we actually claim the level of support here and come up and try and test this lower high at 96.73, or we actually see Viva la resistance play out there. It's going to be interesting as well because you can see all major moving averages here on the hourly very, very far apart, right? Very far apart, telling us that there is quite a lot of momentum in terms of a strong downtrend, because the further these are apart, the stronger the downtrend is going to be, right? And we are seeing that. As you can see, they're getting further apart. The downtrend's getting more prominent, right? So yeah, it's interesting to see how this is going to play out. I would say volume weighted ATR band coming down, holding us down on the hourly as well. But in terms of that short position I am looking for there, that daily close is really, really quite crucial, right? So I would be referencing the daily close across with the 4 hour to see where the lower high or the higher low that is going to be set here, and whether we are going to get a lower low as well. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see actually how this does plan out. But overall, I would say bearish on AVAX until we are going to see this lower high actually get breached here at 97.08. If you are looking to buy AVAX and you are looking for for an accumulation phase coming through here, I would really be waiting for a candle body close on the daily at least above 93, 92, that sort of area there, and that gives us a bit more hope that we are going to see a bit of upwards momentum. But please take a step back and just say, how much has AVAX pumped over the last like 3 months or so, right? Insanely. It's actually banging it up like really quite aggressively, quite notoriously. So let's do it from end of October, right? Just 1% all the way up to all-time highs there. It's look at that, would you look at that? 184% there, absolutely crazy. So yeah, we do need pullbacks. We need these healthy pullbacks coming through there. And also we do have a higher low here. This could be a higher low that we are setting here. So yeah, there's a couple of scenarios coming through there. I wouldn't be insanely bullish on AVAX again until we clear this lower high coming through on the daily chart at 114. But yeah, overall, that's going to be your daily update today on AVAX.